Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn a chapter P block elements. Smoke that we see coming out of vehicle is carbon monoxide. The chemical formula for carbon monoxide is CO. Now we are going to learn preparation, properties and uses of carbon monoxide. When carbon is treated with a limited amount of oxygen which leads to the formation of carbon monoxide. On passing air with carbon, the air consists of oxygen, nitrogen or hydrogen, which leads to the formation of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is known as producer gas or syngas or resembles saucer ball, which is also known as Buckminster fullerene. It has fused ring structure because it contains 26 membered ring and 12 5-membered ring. The carbon in fullerene is sp2 hybridized and it has 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. The carbon-carbon distance is 1.44 Armstrong and carbon double bond carbon is 1.38 Armstrong. Next we move on to carbon nanotubes. It is also important form of allotrope. It has a graphite-like tubes with fullerene ends. Along the axis, nanotubes are stronger than steel, so it conducts electricity. The uses of carbon nanotubes in nanoelectronics, polymers, catalysis, and medicines. Next, we move on to graphene. It is single planar sheet. Each carbon in graphene is sp2 hybridized. It is densely packed in a crystal lattice which appears honeycomb. Dehydration of formic acid in the presence of sulfuric acid, which leads to the formation of carbon monoxide and water. Here, sulfuric acid acts as catalyst. Next, we move on to properties of carbon monoxide. It is colorless, odorless, poisonous gas. If we inhale carbon monoxide, the person may lose consciousness. It is lightly soluble in water. When carbon monoxide undergo combustion, which leads to the formation of carbon dioxide, which appears blue flame. When carbon monoxide reacts with chlorine, which leads to the formation of phosgene, which is a COCl2, it is used in the manufacture of isocyanates. Carbon monoxide, when treated with metal oxides like Fe2O3, which leads to the formation of iron and carbon dioxide. So, carbon monoxide acts as a strong reducing agent because carbon acts as electron donor because it contains lone pair of electron. It is used in extraction of metal from oxide ores. When syngas or producer gas, which means carbon monoxide and hydrogen, which leads to the production of methanol. Suppose when carbon monoxide and hydrogen reacts with ethene C2H4, which leads to the production of propanol, which is aldehyde, propanaldehyde, CH3CH2CHO. Next, we move on to Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. When carbon monoxide and hydrogen reacts at pressure less than 50 atmosphere and temperature 500 to 700 Kelvin, which leads to the production of variety of hydrocarbons having the chemical formula CnH2n plus 2, which is alkane, and CnH2n, which is alkenes. Here, metal act as catalyst. The metals reacts with carbon monoxide, which leads to the formation of metal carbonyls. Like nickel reacts with 4 carbonyl or 4CO, which leads to the formation of NiCO4. Like that, it will react with iron and chromium. Next, we move on to structure. It is linear structure. In carbon monoxide, which contains 3 electron pairs, are shared between carbon and oxygen. The, the bond distance between carbon and oxygen is 1.128 Armstrong. The resonance structure for carbon monoxide is given